Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Nokia 2.4, and now I'm gonna show you how to bypass factory reset protection on this device. So basically it's very easy to do. Firstly, you need to connect to the Wi-Fi network. You can do it without the SIM card, and I suggest to do it without the SIM card, so remove the SIM card from your device. Then, of course, you need to connect to the Wi-Fi network and connect the Wi-Fi network and go back to the Wi-Fi network screen. Then click Set All. See all Wi-Fi networks. Scroll down and find Add New Network, and here click on the microphone button. Click on it, then click Deny. Click on it again, click Deny again. Then click Sort Time and click Allow button. Great, and you will open the Gboard settings. Great. Now click Permissions. Click on the Search button and find here Settings. Scroll down, scroll very down, and here you will see the Settings application. Cool. Now when you will open the settings, we need to click on Settings button, click Open, and great, we have opened the Settings application, and it's really great. And now on this Nokia 2.4 device, scroll down in the Settings menu and choose Apps and Notifications. Then click App Info, find your Android setup, click Force Stop, okay, and as you can see we have removed the lock button, but it's not the end of the instructions. Scroll down and find here Google Play Services. First you need to force it stop, then disable app, then force stop again, okay, and we need to do it quickly. Cool. Then what we need to do then? Then we need to go back to the Welcome Creator, but it's not too easy to do, because we need to do it. So go back. I'll show you. We need to do it. Go back to the Welcome Creator. Go back. Click Skip again. And now we need to wait. Update phone. Oh my gosh, I can't update device right now. Your phone needs to download the update, restart. No, if you have this screen, you need to go back, unfortunately. And then you will see the Setup Offline button. And now click Continue. Wait a second. Click Next. Skip. You can set the screen lock. I don't want to set the screen lock. Leave and get reminder. Click Not Now. And now, when your device is disconnected from the Wi-Fi network, as you can see, enable Google Play Services, until our device is disconnected from the Wi-Fi network, we need to scroll down, Settings, click System, then Advanced, Reset Options, and erase all data. Delete all data again, delete all data, and great. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel. After your smartphone will reboot, you will need to set up your device now in normal mode, so you can connect to the Wi-Fi network, enter your email and password, and just set up your smartphone. Okay, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.